Welcome to the HSS Hire Startup Guide for the light vibrating plate. Perfect for compacting hardcore, sand or gravel whilst creating low hand-arm vibrations. This vibrating plate is easy to manoeuvre and control. Safety is important to us. We recommend using eye, ear, hand and foot protection when using the vibrating plate. For more detailed safety information, please check our operation and safety guide that comes attached to the equipment. Before making any adjustments, make sure the machine isn't running. Regularly check the fuel level and fill up as needed with unleaded petrol. Please note that HSS are unable to supply petrol. Ensure the fuel cap is screwed on securely. Check the oil when the engine is cold and the machine is on level ground. Pull out the dipstick, give it a wipe, then replace it. Remove it a second time and check the oil level sits between the min and max lines. Top up your oil as necessary, making sure it doesn't go above the maximum line. To start the machine, start by turning the on-off switch to on and open the fuel tap. If starting the motor from cold, push the choke lever to the open position. If starting from warm, push the choke lever halfway. Make sure the throttle is set to halfway. This should prevent the plate from vibrating when you start the engine. Grip the starter cord and pull sharply until the motor fires up. When the engine is warm, move the choke lever back to its original position and increase the throttle to the fast position so the plate begins to vibrate. And that's it. Make sure to check out our other products and videos online. If you need any help, our support team are ready to chat to you. Just click the Chat to Us Now button in the bottom right hand corner of the HSS Hire website. And finally, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for all the latest products, news and guides. Have a great day.